What is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Tin back with another video about ANKI. Today I'm going to talk to you about the most powerful add-on that I feel like no one should have the power and should not be in possession of anybody's hand. Add-on can be a double-edged sword. If you misuse this, it can be detrimental to your learning, to the ANKI process, the learning process. That's why I was kind of hesitant to put this out, but I feel like it can be a lifesaver when used responsibly. So this add-on is called the postpone card add-on, and it's literally just let you postpone all your reviews until the next day or 2 days or a week from now. Or it can also let you fast forward your add-ons, your reviews. So you can actually do more reviews. You just finish your reviews today, you can actually just ship everything up and do more cards today if you want. So let's get into it. So as I mentioned earlier, this add-on essentially just let you kind of push back the reviews to tomorrow, essentially, and then literally all the reviews after that back 1 day. So all the cards in your deck get shipped at one. This is different from just like, so usually you don't finish your cards, right? Let's say you have 250 review left for the day and you don't finish the review, you go to sleep, and the next day you wake up. So let's say today was Wednesday, right? And you woke up on Thursday, your 250 reviews is gonna add onto whatever reviews you have on Thursday. So let's say Wednesday you have 250 left, Thursday you have 500. And then if you don't do 250, Thursday you're gonna actually have to do 750 reviews instead of just 500 reviews. What this add-on does is that it pushes 250. If you use it at the end of Wednesday, because I'm too tired when I go to bed, I'm gonna use the add-on. Push the 250 back. It's actually gonna show 0 reviews on Wednesday, so that you finish. When you wake up on Thursday, you will only see the 250 reviews that you push back instead of the 750 reviews that you see normally without the add-on. So where does the 500 reviews go? It goes to Friday. And the Friday reviews go to Saturday, so literally the whole deck gets shipped. So that's literally the whole point of this add-on. So when would you want to use this add-on? You want to use this on days where you're sick, where you have a really busy school day and you just can't afford to finish all your reviews. I didn't say do your reviews because you gotta do your reviews every single day. At least do like 10 or 20 and then ship it. At least, come on. Or holidays when you're on breaks, you want to use this also. Okay, so let's talk about some of the cons of this. What are the cons of this? Okay, so this can actually ruin the algorithm of ANKI if you use this too often. Just imagine, especially for learning cards that you're supposed to be learning. Usually learning cards are more important to keep a strict schedule to because they still in your short-term memory bank and it hasn't been processed to long-term yet. So let's say the card you're supposed to see 4 days from now, but then you keep shifting you keep using the add-on. Let's say you use it twice, so that means instead of seeing 4 days, you actually see it in 6 days now, before you even see it again. You know that 2 days difference actually might make it pretty tough for you to retain info, and then you have to like see the card again, or so can mess up the ANKI algorithm. So another con that this actually have is that it can mess up your free weekend or free day add-on. So this was mentioned previously in my other video, the free weekend add-on. So let's say you set it on Sunday as your free weekend. All the cards you schedule won't be scheduled on Sunday, but you use this add-on, it will ship everything. Let's say you push it back 1 day. So now all the Saturday cards will be pushed on Sunday. So now actually you have set a bunch of cards on Sunday to do, and your free days now become Monday. Okay? So let's say you're okay with that. Okay, well I still get a free day, right? But then what happens is as you start doing your reviews again, your free weekend add-on is still in effect. Unless you disabled it. Now your Mondays will start getting reviews again, but your Sundays won't. So then it will just slowly bring your Sunday reviews down and your Monday back up. But that messes up the whole algorithm and the whole point of using the free day add-on. So it also affects any other day that you put in with the free weekend, free day add-on. So like test dates, weekends, or holidays. So that's a big cons of using this add-on. One thing I want to talk about is that this is not really a con, but it's just something to be aware of. And I noticed that I was really a big guy for doing all my reviews. I never really skip reviews for more than a day or so, but when my friends did it, they showed me, I actually noticed it, that. So if you have a build-up of reviews, so let's say you haven't done your reviews for 3 or 4 days, let's say 4 days, and then you use this add-on to push back reviews for 1 day, all the cards that you let build up for 4 days will actually shows up in your review queue. So it's not that the add-on isn't working. What you see on my screen when you see everything just disappeared and shifted is because I don't have any piled up review cards like more than 1 day. So when I shift it by 1 day, everything gets shifted. But if you have like a card that had 3 or 4 days piled on, so let's say you have 4 days delay, if you ship everything by 1 day, that card now is just be 3 days. So it will still show up on your review queue today. So unless you ship all the cards by, let's say, 5 or 6 days, you will still end up seeing all the reviews. The reviews won't totally 100% disappear. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I just wanted to point it out because people were getting confused. But I talked about how this being a double-edged sword. I'm gonna give you the biggest tip for you, and this ties in with my previous video too. And if you use these two add-ons in conjunction with each other, it will help you prevent you and kind of motivate you to not abuse the add-on. Okay, so I talked about the free weekend, free day add-on. If you guys haven't seen it, watch my last video. I'll link it in the description. But essentially, you guys don't know about it. Just it will schedule your reviews around one specific day, so that on that day, so for me it's Sunday, I won't have as many reviews as usually. So normally I have 700 reviews, but on Sunday, which is my free day, I only have to do 200 reviews. Okay, so a big motivation for me to not abuse this add-on, the postpone card add-on, is because of my free weekend and free day add-on. It's because I know that if I use the postpone card add-on and all my reviews get shifted, I'm gonna lose my free day on Sunday. I'm gonna lose my free days over the breaks and the holidays and my test dates. And that's not to say I don't use the postpone card add-on. I actually use the postpone card add-on quite a few times over my school years. What I make sure to do is that if I do use the postpone card add-ons and I go through the week, once I hit Sunday, which is my free day, where I only have 200 cards to do, I'll actually do my 200 cards and I ship everything back 1 day and I do more cards. So I end up doing like 800 for that day, right? Because I have to do the 600 review cards for the next day, and that will set me back on track again. Okay? Alright guys, so that's what I want to tell you guys about how this amazing, powerful add-on, this can literally save your life. It will prevent ANKI burnout. And when used in conjunction with my free weekend or the free weekend, free day add-on, it will help you remain accountable for your actions. So don't misuse this, don't abuse it, but do use it to just give you some sanity. If you have any questions or concerns, comment below, ask me, I'll definitely respond. Thanks for watching, thanks for spending time with me. Make sure if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up so that I know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Until next time.